Students, now I am going to show how to, already in the lab 1 you saw how to download the Kali Linux. After installing the Kali Linux, now you have the Kali Linux here. Okay, so when you download the Kali Linux, you will get the Kali Linux like this, Kali. Just double click. When you double click, automatically it will come here. It will be opened in the VirtualBox Manager here. It would be placed here. Now what you do, similarly I shared a Google Drive with you here. I shared the Google Drive with you. So right click, download the XP. So when you download the XP, you will get the XP like this. So again you double click the XP. It would be placed here in the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Already you should have completed the lab 1. After that you have to do this. So now you have the Windows XP and you have the Kali. Now I want you to do a connection between this Kali and XP. So for that what you have to do, okay, click the XP, click settings, go to network. In the network you select host only adapter. You can see host only adapter. Let me repeat once again. XP. So you have the XP, you download the XP from the drive, double click. When you double click, it would be placed on the VirtualBox Manager like this. Then you go to settings, you just select the XP. Now you can see the blue color, that means the XP is selected. Go to settings, select the network and go to host only adapter. Select the host only adapter. Okay, host only adapter, and then click OK. Then go to Kali. Select the Kali, go to settings and go to network and select host only adapter. So you select the host only adapter. Now again check settings, network, host only adapter selected. Now what you do, you start the XP now. I am starting the XP. So now you are inside the XP. Okay, so this is XP. Now go here, start the Kali. So you go to Kali, type K-A-L-I Kali, password Kali, K-A-L-I Kali. So you have the Kali here, you have the XP here. Students, up to this, is it clear? Students, up to this clear? Hello? So far whatever I explained, so now we have two virtual machines, one is XP and one is Kali. So now what you have to do, you have to check whether they are connected to each other or not. How to check? So here you can see this is called terminal. You can see here this is terminal, click terminal. Okay, you get the terminal. You can make it big like this, control plus plus. So this is terminal. I repeat, here this one terminal, control plus plus. So here you have to type ifconfig. We have to find what is the IP address of the system. So now the IP address of this system is 192.168.56.109. Okay, so please note down this now. Okay, so I will note down in the Jamboard. Regarding the quiz and midterm, I will talk to you after this lab session. Okay, so please wait. First you try to understand this lab, otherwise you will get, you cannot do the lab exam. So lab exam you will have around, I think, 15 marks. So listen carefully, you have to do in the exam. So now we have Kali. So what is the IP address of the Kali? Go here. Okay, just click the terminal. Okay, make it big, control plus plus, make it big. ifconfig, this is the command. So when you type, you can see this ETH0 adapter and the IP address is this. Okay, so this is the IP address 56.109, 192.168.56.109. This is the IP address of Kali. So we have one more machine, XP. So go to the XP. Okay, so here type IP, here not IF, here IP, IPconfig, IPconfig. So IPconfig, if you type the IPconfig, you will get the IP address. So this is the IP address of this system, 192.168.56.106. So 192.168.56.106. Okay, so this is the IP of Kali, this is the IP of XP. You can see they are in the same network. Okay, so they are in the network 192.168.56.0. This is the network ID. Network ID. So they are in the same network. So they are connected to each other. Okay, how to check the connection? Okay, so from here you have to ping. What is the IP address of XP? 192.168.56.106. You have to ping the XP. So this will ping the XP. Similarly, from XP also you have to ping the Kali. So here you have to use ping IP of the Kali machine 192.168.56.109. Okay, let us check now. So I go to Kali, I ping the XP. So what is the IP of XP? 192. 168.56.109. Sorry, 106. That is the IP of the XP. So when I click here, you can see it is pinging. It is sending some packets, ICMP packets to the XP, and the XP, from the XP the reply is coming back. So this means there is a connection. So both XP and Kali are connected. For example, you see here, instead of 106 I put 107. You can see there is no machine with the IP address 107. So you can get the message, destination not reachable. That means there is no such system 107. But whereas if you give the IP address of the XP, you can see ICMP packets go and come back. There is a reply from the XP. That means both are connected to each other. So please understand, ping is the command to check whether any machine in the network is it working or not, alive or not, whether it is possible to reach that system. Now go to XP. From here you try to ping Kali. Ping 192.168.56.109. So you can see there is a reply coming back. That means there is a connection. Suppose you see instead of 109 I put 110, error will come. Okay, it is not pinging. You see, request time out, error, because there is no such system called 110. Okay, so Control C. Now I change to 109. It's pinging. So now students, in this lab what we have done, we have installed in the lab 1 Kali machine you downloaded in the virtual box. Okay, now in the lab 2 you have downloaded the XP from the Google Drive which I shared with you. Okay, from the Google Drive download. Okay, and after that it would be downloaded like this. So just double click XP, double click the Kali, it will come to the virtual machine. If already it has come to the virtual machine, no need to double click, no need to do it again, only one time you have to do. Once they come to the virtual machine, okay, go to settings, network, and network adapter, put it in PostOnly Adapter. PostOnly Adapter. Students, is it clear? Are you able to understand? Students, is it clear? So now we have successfully connected the Kali and the XP. So between these two systems we have created a local area network. So we have created a local area network. Now next question is, from the Kali, is it possible for you to connect with the internet? Okay, so if you want to connect, so which adapter we have selected now? Please note down this adapter. The adapter what we selected is host only adapter. If you want to create a local area network, you should go for host only adapter. Host only adapter. Now when you choose the host only adapter, you cannot browse the internet from the virtual machine. That is the problem. Okay, for example, I open this Firefox. Okay, so I open and I go to google.com. I am not able to access the Google. Why? Because there is no internet connection. There is no internet connection because we have selected the host only adapter. Okay, so if you select the host only adapter, you can connect 2 or more machines in the local area network. But if you want to connect with the internet, then what you have to do is you have to make a change. Why you have to connect to the internet? First of all, maybe you have to update some software. In that situation you need the internet. So in that situation what you do, go to settings, go to network, go to NAT. Can you see NAT, students? Select NAT, N-A-T, NAT. Okay, select NAT. Earlier it was in host only adapter, but now you have selected NAT, N-A-T, NAT. Now click OK. Okay, now you go to the machine. Okay, you have to restart. So okay, if you want to restart, go here. Okay, I just click, see here. Okay, then you get the menu like this. In that you select restart. If you want to shut down, you go for shutdown. If you want to restart, go for restart. So now you type Kali, password Kali. Now after you log in, you check the IP address first. Okay, go terminal, control ++. So type ifconfig. Now you see the IP changed. Earlier the IP was 192.168.56.109, but now the IP is 10.0.2.15. Okay, now you try to ping XP, you cannot ping. See, this is the IP address of the XP, but you cannot ping. Why you cannot ping? Because The Kali is in another network. It has another range of IP address. They are not in the 192.168. They are not in the same network. So you cannot ping now. Just a minute, some problem. XP is 106, right? So this is 10.0.2.15. Now you try to access the internet. See, we are able to access the Google now. Earlier we were not, now Facebook. We are able to access. How it is possible, students? Because network settings, now we are in NAT mode. We are in NAT mode. Understand? So because of that, we are able to access the internet. But if I restart the XP also, please understand, there is some data in the buffer, that is why it is pinging. You cannot communicate. For example, let me see 10.0.2.15. okay, I go to XP, ping 10.0.2.15. See, I am not able to ping. From XP, I am not able to ping the Kali. Why? Because it is in NAT network, whereas the XP is in host-only adapter. So now, please understand, if you want to access the internet from your virtual machine, in that situation, you go for NAT. You go for NAT. Suppose you don't want to access the internet, okay, you want to connect with another machine in the network, that is XP machine in the network, then go to host only adapter, change to host only adapter. After you change, what you do, you restart. So whenever you make any change in the network adapter, you have to restart. So now Kali. So now you can see, you go to the terminal, if config. Now you are having this host only adapter IP address. So from the XP machine, now you can ping. So today class, what you understand, you understood how to connect two machines in a local area network. If you want to connect two machines in a local area network, you must choose host only adapter in the network settings. If you want to access the internet, okay, so you have a machine, example Kali. If you want to access the internet, then in the network, in the settings, under the network, you have to select NAT, NAT. Okay, so this is what you are seeing today. Suppose students, one more option I want to tell you. You are in your home now. Suppose you are working from your home. In the home you have Omantel router or Orido router. Okay, we have the ISP provider, internet service provider router in our home. So teacher, in that situation, what networks adapter I can choose? You have one more option also. So in that third option, this third option you have to use only in the home, not in the college. In the college it will not work. Okay, so if you are in the home, go to network settings. If you want to change, you can change here also, students. Here also you can change, or you click here and change. You have two options. So if you are in the home, students, if you are in the home, go and select the second option, that is called bridged adapter. If you are in the home, I repeat once again, you are working from your home, you have Omantel router in your home or Orido router, then you select bridged adapter. You see, bridged adapter. So the third option is bridged adapter. Okay, working from home, is working from home. Okay, if you have Omantel or Orido, okay, internet, then you can go for bridged adapter. So if you choose the bridged adapter, for example, let's say you have Kali, then you have XP. Okay, so so here bridged adapter I selected for the Kali also, I selected for the XP also. I changed to bridged adapter. Okay, now let's see. I restart here this system, turn off, restart XP. I restart the Kali also. The benefit of bridged adapter is it's very useful. Why? You have the benefit is, okay, the benefit is two benefit. You have local area network. So you create a network between the Kali and XP. Another benefit is you can browse internet. You can connect with the internet also. So that is a benefit if you choose bridged adapter. If you choose, please understand, if you choose the post-only adapter, okay, you can connect with local area network, yani you can connect the machines, but you cannot connect with the internet. That is the problem. So in the college lab you want to work, go to K003, K007, K001 lab. Don't try in the LRC. Go to K003, K007 or K001. Then you choose post only adapter. It will work. But you cannot connect with the internet. Suppose you want to connect with the internet. Okay, you want to connect with the internet. Then you can choose NAT. If you choose NAT, okay, if you choose NAT, then no local area network, no connection between Kali and XP. There is no connection, but you can access the internet. You can access the internet. Okay, the third option, if you are working in the home, okay, choose bridged adapter. For both Kali and XP, choose a bridged adapter. If you have Omantel or Orido router, The benefit is you can get a local area network, you can connect these machines as well as you can browse the internet. That is the benefit of bridged adapter. Now let's check here. So let me come to Kali. Okay, so I got the Kali mission. So this is the XP mission. So I check the IP now. IF config. So when I click the IF config, I got the IP now. Okay, 192.168.1.15. Okay, so 192.168.1.15 is the IP. Okay, then let me go to XP. Okay, IP config. So you can see the IP is 1.16. One 192.168.1.15. So this is 1.615. This 1.16. 1.16. Okay, now you can see they are in the same network. Network ID 192.168.1.0. They are in the same network. That means they can connect to each other. So you go to XP here, ping. Okay, 192.168.1.15. I am able to ping Kali. Successful. So I want to ping the XP now. Ping 192.168.1.16. So I am able to ping the XP. Not only I can ping my virtual machines, even your mobile phone. Okay, you check your mobile phone, what is the IP? Just Google and check what is the IP of your mobile phone. So even you can ping your mobile phone from here. For example, students, this is my Windows. So Windows, let me check what is the IP now. This is my host machine. So this is my Windows. So my Windows IP is 105. From virtual machine, please students, I can ping my Windows also. I am pinging my Windows. So now these virtual machines, please understand, they are now part of your home network, like your mobile phone. Okay, like your brother, father mobile phone, like your laptop. These virtual machines also one of the machines in your home network. So this is the difference between students, bridged adapter, NAT, okay, NAT and post-only adapter. You have three options. If you are in the college, go to LRC K003. Okay, you put Kali and XP, then you choose post-only adapter. You have to select only this, no other option. Okay, you are in the home, then you can go for bridged adapter. So the difference is it will work in your home. If you put bridged adapter, you can use the internet also, you have benefit. but with host only adapter you cannot use the internet. So in the college you are in the host only adapter, suddenly you want to update the software, then you need internet. Then what you do, you change to NAT for some time, update, then again come back to host only adapter. So these are the different options that you can use in the virtual machines to connect the different virtual machines in your system. Students, am I clear to you? Hello, you understand?